A legacy forged in steel. Introducing Henry Laurence Gantt. Henry Laurence Gantt was an American mechanical engineer and management consultant. He developed the Gantt chart, a tool for visualizing and tracking project schedules. Gantt worked with Frederick Taylor at the Midvale Steel Company. Gantt's work had a profound impact on modern management practices. His legacy is one of innovation, efficiency, and a commitment to improving the lives of workers. Gantt's career took a significant turn when he joined the Midvale Steel Company in 1887.
Taylor recognized Gantt's potential and took him under his wing.
Their partnership proved to be a fertile ground for innovation. They meticulously analyzed production processes to eliminate waste and boost productivity. Gantt began to develop his own unique perspective on management, emphasizing the human element. The Midvale years were formative for Gantt, laying the groundwork for his future contributions. Gantt gradually diverged from Taylor, emphasizing the human aspect of industrial efficiency. Unlike Taylor, who focused primarily on the mechanical and procedural aspects of work, Gantt saw the importance of the human element in achieving true efficiency.
He argued that treating workers as mere cogs was unsustainable. Gantt believed that workers were not just parts of a machine, but individuals with unique skills and potential.
Gantt championed creating a work environment that fostered collaboration and skill development. He understood that a motivated and well-trained workforce could significantly enhance productivity. He believed in investing in workers' skills and knowledge. By providing opportunities for continuous learning, Gantt aimed to empower workers to reach their full potential. Gantt developed innovative training programs that were ahead of their time and advocated for clear instructions and regular feedback. He believed that open communication between management and workers was crucial for a harmonious and productive workplace. He believed in fair pay and equitable treatment for all workers, and developed a bonus system that rewarded workers for exceeding targets. This system not only motivated workers but also aligned their goals with the company's objectives. Gantt's humanistic approach marked a significant departure from the prevailing management paradigms. His focus on the well-being and development of workers was revolutionary at the time. His ideas laid the groundwork for industrial humanism, recognizing workers as valuable assets. Gantt's legacy continues to influence modern management practices, emphasizing the importance of treating workers with respect and dignity. Section 4. The enduring power of the Gantt chart. Gantt's most enduring contribution is the Gantt chart, a cornerstone of project management. Developed in the early 20th century, it revolutionized the way projects were planned and executed.
The beauty of the Gantt chart lies in its visual clarity. It allows project managers to see the entire project timeline at a glance, making it easier to identify potential bottlenecks and allocate resources efficiently. It provides a graphical representation of a project schedule, outlining tasks and their dependencies. This visual tool helps teams understand the sequence of activities and the critical path to project completion.
The visual nature of the Gantt chart makes it easy to track progress and communicate project status. Teams can quickly see which tasks are on track, which are delayed, and what needs immediate attention.
Its ability to break down complex projects into manageable tasks has made it essential for ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. This was particularly revolutionary during the industrial era. The Gantt chart's simplicity and effectiveness have stood the test of time, making it a timeless tool in project management. It continues to be a go-to method for project managers across various industries. Despite advancements in technology and project management methodologies, the core principles of the Gantt chart remain as relevant today as they were a century ago. Its enduring power lies in its simplicity and clarity.
Section 5. A visionary in print. Gantt's published works. Henry Laurence Gantt was a prolific writer who shared his management philosophy with the world.
One of his most influential books, Work, Wages, and Profits, published in 1910, laid out his vision for a more humane and efficient workplace.
This book established Gantt as a pioneer in industrial humanism. Another seminal work, Organizing for Work, published in 1919, emphasized clear goals and effective training. His writings continue to inspire modern management practices, reminding us of the importance of human motivation and ethical conduct. Section 6. Gantt's enduring legacy shaping modern management. Henry Laurence Gantt's legacy extends far beyond the factory floor, influencing not just production, but the very essence of how we manage and motivate people.
From the iconic Gantt chart, which revolutionized project management, to his groundbreaking ideas on worker motivation and efficiency, Gantt's influence continues to shape modern management practices across various industries.
Gantt's vision was not limited to optimizing output. He envisioned businesses playing a responsible role in society, emphasizing the importance of social responsibility and ethical practices. In an era of rapid technological advancements, Gantt's ideas on worker motivation, ethical leadership, and the integration of technology remain incredibly relevant and influential.
His legacy serves as a powerful reminder that true success in business must be judged not just by financial metrics, but by the positive impact it has on people's lives and the broader community.